Hello, what is up, Yarn Besties? I am the Crafty Crocheter, and if you want to become a Yarn Bestie, click the subscribe button and gain access to more content. And if you like what you're seeing in this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. Don't forget to hype this video, share this video, and recommend the channel to all of your family and friends. So, welcome to another episode of WIP'N It On Wednesdays with the Crafty Crocheter. So, I am here to provide you an update on my latest whip that I've been doing. And if you don't remember what the project was, it was the Easy Crochet Triangle Shawl. This was one of those projects that was a labor of love, and I am proud the way that this came out. So look at my face of determination to get this project done. So I am proud of how this turned out. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like all finished. And I got that finished, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. And here it is. And I like the way this turned out, and I guess the yarn choice was pretty good too, because look at all that different variations of color, different stitch work, and especially towards the end you have the shells. And give me 1 second here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on. And here's what it looks like on. Obviously my shoulders are kind of wide, so this doesn't cover as much space, but this is what it looks like on. So I like the way this turned out. And there's the back of it. So if you followed along with this pattern, how did yours turn out? Let me know in the comments below, or share your updated pics or your shawl in the community page. All right, again, this was a fairly easy project. In reality, it could have been like a weekend project, because you can easily attack one half of the shawl in one day and then the other half of it the next day. You can stretch it out if you want to. I like the way it turned out. I may do another one. So that's all I have for this WIP'N It On Wednesday. So now I did come across another project that I am thinking about tackling, and I will let you know about that in next week's video. So again, if you like this shawl, if you like the results of it, let me know in the comments. Or if you have any issues with the pattern, let me know, and I can assist with that as well. And if you downloaded the pattern, how did it turn out for you? All right, so again, if you like what you saw in this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. And if you haven't already, become a Yarn Bestie and subscribe today. This is the Crafty Crocheter. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting.